Learning to speak English is a dream for millions of people. Some want to improve their career, some want to travel confidently, and some want to connect with people around the world. But the biggest problem is this. Even after reading grammar books, watching tutorials, and practicing for months, many learners still hesitate when it comes to speaking. They understand English, they can read and write it, but when it is time to speak, suddenly the mind goes blank. Today, I am going to share with you one simple but extremely powerful technique that has helped thousands of learners speak English fluently. And the best part? If you practice this technique honestly for just 7 days, you will see a visible change in your confidence and speaking ability. So, let's begin. The first part of this technique is input. Just like a child first listens to their mother's language before speaking, you also need to train your ears and brain with natural English sounds. For this, you have to spend only 15 to 30 minutes every day listening to English content. It could be anything you enjoy: a short story in English, an episode from your favorite web series, a movie clip, an English song, or even a podcast. The important rule is don't just listen casually. Pay attention to how the words are pronounced, how the sentences are connected, and how emotions are expressed. Imagine you are learning the rhythm of a new song. This way, your brain will slowly get used to the natural flow of English. Now comes the most important and magical step. After you finish listening, your brain will automatically start creating thoughts. Maybe you will think, oh, this character was funny, or I liked that scene. Normally, we keep such thoughts in our head. But from today, you will not just think, you will speak. Yes, whatever comes to your mind, express it aloud in English. For example, instead of thinking, I liked the song, silently, say it. I really liked the song. The music was amazing. If you watched a movie scene, say, the hero was very brave. He protected his family. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about mistakes. The purpose is not perfection. The purpose is activation. By forcing yourself to speak out loud, you are training your brain to convert thoughts into spoken words instantly. Consistency is the real key here. This technique is not about practicing once or twice. You have to follow it every day for at least 7 days. Day 1, you may feel shy. Day 2, you may hesitate. But by day 3 or day 4, you will notice that sentences start flowing more naturally. Your brain will no longer wait to translate from your native language to English. Instead, you will directly start thinking and speaking in English. And by day 7, if you practice honestly, you will be surprised at your own progress. There are 2 scientific reasons why this method works. Active recall. When you force your brain to produce English sentences instead of keeping them silent, you strengthen your memory and confidence. Neural activation. The more you connect your thoughts with spoken words, the stronger your speaking reflex becomes. Just like exercising a muscle daily makes it stronger, speaking daily makes your English stronger. This is exactly how babies learn to speak, by listening first and then repeating loudly whatever comes to their mind. Record voice daily and listen. This will show you where you improve. Don't judge yourself for mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Use a mirror while speaking. It increases confidence and helps with expressions. Keep sentences simple. Instead of trying to speak difficult grammar, focus on expressing ideas clearly. So the formula is very simple. Listen for 15 to 30 minutes, think in English, speak immediately. Fluency in 7 days. If you follow this technique with honesty and discipline, you will surely feel a big transformation in your speaking skills. Remember, English is not learned by reading alone. English is learned by listening and then speaking. So from today itself, choose a short English story, a movie clip, or a song. Listen carefully and then speak out your thoughts in English. Do this for just 7 days, and you will not only speak better English, but also feel more confident, expressive, and natural. Your journey to English fluency starts now. Try the 7-day challenge and share your experience. You will be amazed at the results.